come to the elevators at the Houston Medical Plaza Professional Building. These are Otis, installed in 1983. These were original Westinghouse. One. Based on that retrofitted call button, these appear to be Westinghouse because I literally just saw a half moon, original half moon hoistway door key on one of the upper floors. This is definitely a tasteful mod, I will say this. I might go for a one-way ride. I don't know what year these were modernized, but I've got to say, sometimes in the 2010s. And back down to one. Appear to be bottom drive traction. I really love the brass doors. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.